These pepper plants have been way too comfortable indoors. Nice temperatures, no wind, perfect lighting, protected from bugs. Well, today these babies are officially getting transplanted outside into raised beds. So let's see how it goes. Hi, I'm Nikki, the OCD-ish chick. I'm a Maryland urban small space gardener growing in Zone 7B. Real outdoor life for these plants starts now. So before planting anything, I always like to loosen the soil and giving these beds a little refresh. Whenever I transplant seedlings, such as peppers, tomatoes, herbs, or anything moving into a new space, I use big root energy because transplanting is stressful on plants. Their roots are disturbed. They're adjusting to new soil, new temperatures, and a whole new environment. Big root energy is designed to support strong root development, which helps plants get established faster. A healthy root system means better water uptake, better nutrient absorption, improved drought tolerance, and stronger overall growth. Instead of focusing on lots of leafy growth right away, I'm encouraging the plant to put energy underground first, because strong roots build strong plants. And that's how I make my custom fertilizer blend. Now honestly, transplanting plants outdoors can be stressful for the plants as well as the gardener, especially when they've been spoiled indoors for weeks. But it's time. Summer season is here in Maryland Zone 7B, and these peppers need more room, more sunlight, and honestly, they gotta grow up a little bit. Now overall, these plants look really healthy. Good roots, good color, nice growth. But moving outdoors is a big adjustment. They're about to experience heat, wind, rain, bugs. Yeah, it's about to get really real. These peppers are heavy feeders, so healthy soil matters. And honestly, raised beds warm up nicely this time of year, which peppers love. One thing I try not to do is overcrowd peppers, because once summer really kicks in, they start acting like they own the whole garden. I always try to water plants in really well after transplanting, because this transition can really stress them out. And honestly, sometimes plants look a little dramatic after transplanting, but that doesn't automatically mean that they're dying. A lot of times they just need time to adjust. You know what's funny? These peppers kind of remind me of people sometimes. We get comfortable in safe environments, comfortable routines, comfortable situations, but eventually growth asks us to step outside anyway. And sometimes that transition feels uncomfortable before it feels rewarding, but that's where growth usually happens. So hopefully these spoiled little peppers will adjust well outdoors. We're almost officially entering summer garden season now. Lots of water. And honestly, I'm excited to see what these plants do out here. Let me know in the comments, Zone 7B gardeners and surrounding areas. Have y'all planted your peppers yet? And are your plants thriving, or are they acting all dramatic? Why are my peppers sitting under an umbrella? Because I moved these hydroponically grown peppers outside without hardening them off first. So I'm using the umbrella to give them some temporary shade and protection while they adjust. Plants grown indoors under grow lights aren't used to direct sun, wind, and fluctuating temperatures. An umbrella helps reduce transplant shock by limiting intense sunlight and heat while the plants develop stronger roots and get acclimated to outdoor conditions. Over the next several days, they'll gradually be exposed to more sunlight until they can handle full garden life on their own. The umbrella has been retired, y'all. These peppers have officially graduated from protective custody. They've adjusted to garden life, survived the transition, and are out here acting like they've been living outdoors all along. Welcome to the real world, babies. Rent is due in peppers. All right, ELOC Nation, I'll catch you in the next gardening video. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.